Hey guys, this is Adrian and welcome back to another episode on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at OpenSoft, a web-based solution for SME when it comes to payroll as well as time and attendance. In addition to their HRMS modules, they also provide useful tools like employee self-service and employee management. These tools help to streamline the HR processes and aid in building better rapport between management and employee. For example, employees can update their own details without going through the HR administrator. The HR admin also can reach out to all employees whenever there's an announcement, and they can be assured that the announcement will not get lost in the employee's email inbox. On this page, you can get an overview of real-time company-wide updates like company announcements, leaves, who's on MC, etc. that you can immediately see from your desktop and mobile. Let's start by checking myself in. I just have to hit the check-in button, proceed, and the system would immediately capture my attendance. Next up, let me see who is having birthday today. There's also a Who's Not In Today tab, which I can go in and see who might not be in office today. Okay, enough about me being capable. Let's go into the self-service and see what I can do there. Quite a fair bit of options here. Now the first thing maybe I want to do is to add in a family member under my record. So I'm just going to hit the icon here and put in those information quickly through the self-service menu. And within seconds, everything got recorded, save it, and is uploaded through the system. On the same self-service screen, I will also be able to pull out my payslip. Simply head over to the e-payslip option, put in the period that I want to pull out the payslip, and the system would export it out as PDF. I can even have the option to key in a password to ensure that the data remains safe and secure and be inaccessible by anyone else other than yourself. On the same page, I will be able to apply for a leave as well, and from here I just need to hit the apply leave button and choose the respective options to push this through. Let me just pick a date from the pull down here and choose my respective date I like to be on leave. I would also be able to put in a contact number just in case someone needs to reach me. Just continue and submit the button and the leave application gets through. Further down the options, there is an ability to take a look at the leave on behalf. On this page, I'll be able to see the people on my team that are taking leave pending as well as the ones that has been approved. Now, what if your leave approver is away as well? Within the system, you are able to select a substitute approver, and this will ensure every leave application gets well taken care of. You can even choose and specify the period that this leave approval will only be applicable. OpenSoft is also accessible on your mobile phone as well. As you can see from here, I've logged in through my mobile phone and all the features that I've explained and showcased to you earlier on are fully available. Over on OpenSoft HR Payroll dashboard, this dashboard gives the HR admin exclusive insights on helpful company data like the gender ratio, worker types, department types, etc. And don't worry about missing payroll for any new joiner, because the dashboard will inform you that someone new is joining, and that would remind the payroll administrator to key in the necessary information to process payroll for that period. Same notification apply for work pass as well. So for any new upcoming work passes or any work pass renewal, you will be alerted of it on the dashboard too. Next up, let's try to process a payroll. Okay, I'm just going to process and put in a payroll entry. Select the individual, which is myself, to process payroll for. Do I have any overtime? Okay, let me just put in some there and see if there's any allowances or deduction that I want to put through as well. With that done, I can process my payroll and going into this month-end payroll processing option. Once everything is clear, just have to hit the process button and things will be processed, and payroll has been calculated, and all I need to do next is to push those information out and make sure that the month end is closed so no one can make any further changes. There's also quite a number of reports that I can pull out from the payroll system, from bank details to payroll listing to skills development fund summary, quite a lengthy list of reports that I can look at. And of course, it comes with the standard features like sending out files to CPF board as well as generating your bank files so that you can easily push those information and transaction across to your bank and get those salary paid out. Now over here, I'm looking at another option where I could just do a separate run in order to generate a bonus. Let's see what else they have. I can go in and take a look at the workday per month. Okay, and I could also look at the foreign worker levy as well as the current CPF rate. And under general reports, there's something which many Singapore employer would find useful, which is the occupational wage survey report that you have to submit to MOM on a very regular basis. Overall, I enjoy the user experience of OpenSoft. It is clean, minimalist, and get the job done. For companies still clinging on to their on-premise payroll software, OpenSoft could be a good consideration to finally drop the shackle and move onto the cloud. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it useful, appreciate if you can give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and get alerts on all future episodes. See you on the next video.